Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Kicks door panel. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and lowering the window fully to access clips. Use a trim tool to pry off the armrest cover and remove visible screws carefully. Keep fasteners organized in a labeled container. Gently release plastic clips with steady pressure to avoid panel breakage. Set the panel aside and disconnect wiring harnesses before fully removing the door panel. Prepare your workspace with a blanket to protect paint and organize parts by step. Gather a plastic trim tool, Phillips driver, Torx driver, and a magnetic tray for screws. Use gloves to improve grip and protect edges. A flashlight helps reveal hidden screws behind covers and near the latch. Keep a small container for clips and bolts so nothing is lost. Work methodically and refer to each step before proceeding. Begin at the armrest and pry up the cover to expose screws, then remove them. Work from the bottom corner and insert a trim tool to pop out clips one at a time. Lift the panel slightly to disengage the top lip from the window channel. Reach behind and unplug any electrical connectors, including the speaker and lock harnesses. Check for remaining fasteners if the panel resists, then remove it fully and set aside safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.